Hey there, Sean Bailey. Welcome to this video today where we're going to talk about using a free funnel builder that you're going to absolutely dig to build a lead generation funnel. Now, let's take a look at what we're going to do inside here today. So here's the thing. Every business needs new leads. They are the lifeblood of every business. You need people who are interested coming in, and they need to convert those leads into clients and customers, right? So in this video today, we're going to set up a lead generation funnel, and we are going to do it fast, right? And we're going to do that by using simple templates for the landing page and for our thank you page. And we're going to go in and customize each one of those pages using the editor that is super simple and super easy to use. And then we are going to test and launch this funnel, and we're going to do it, like I say, super fast. So let's jump over to it and get it done. But before we do, we're going to sit on this page for one more minute here while you click on the like button and the subscribe button, and you can even go ahead and share this video if you want. I really appreciate you clicking on like and subscribe, and you can click on notifications if you want to get notified every time I put out a new video. It really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm, and it really helps support smaller channels like mine. Appreciate it. Click those buttons. Let's go. Okay, so here we are over in our funnel builder. This is system.io, and it is awesome. You can go get yourself signed up for free here and try all the stuff out without putting down any money and do exactly what I'm going to do in this video and try this out for yourself. And I promise you, you are going to love it. So first off, we're going to go over to funnels. And after we click on funnels here, you can see I've got one in here. So let's just completely start from scratch. I'm going to toast this. And now we see we've got nothing in here, brand new funnel that we're going to create. So we're just going to wait for a sec here and click on the create button. And then it's going to ask us, what do we want to do? Build an audience, sell something, build a custom funnel from scratch, or run an evergreen webinar, which are very powerful items. But for this one, we're going to go with build an audience. So we click in there and then we give it a name. So let's call it lead gen funnel. And then we click on to create. So it's got two components here, two pages, our landing page or squeeze page, and then our thank you page or download page, right? So if we go through here and take a look at all these different templates, there's lots that you can choose from. These are all really good looking templates. And again, you just have to go and pick one and then customize it here. So let's go with something nice and simple here. Let's go back up and let's go with this one. So we select that template, and then we're just going to go over to our thank you page, and we'll go with, let's just choose this one as well. And the great thing is that you can go and you can preview any of these pages as well. Just click the preview button. You can see what it looks like, but we'll just go with this one here real quick. So now that we've selected both of our templates that we're going to use for this lead generation funnel, let's go back to our squeeze page here. And what we want to do, we can go in and just change this something to be called something else if we want. We could call it landing page. I tend to refer them as landing pages, but I go back and forth between squeeze page and landing page. So let's call this one here. We'll call this one free guide, because we don't want a bunch of random letters and numbers at the end there. So we'll call this one free guide, and then we're just going to hit the green save funnel step button, right? Actually, we'll call this, I think I used this one earlier, free guide. Call this one awesome guide. Why not? So we hit save, so we got our URL / awesome guide. Probably could call it something else, but I'm just having a little bit of fun with this today here. So nice thing is that we can go, if we click view funnel step, we can see it's adjusted the URL up in the top here. So it says awesome guide at the end instead of a bunch of random letters and numbers, right? So we go to our thank you page, and we're going to customize this URL as well. And we'll just say, we'll call this one download guide. And again, we hit our green save button, and now our URLs are updated. So we go back to our squeeze page here, and we're actually going to go and edit this page. So we click on the edit page button. And the nice thing is that it's just going in and editing certain elements in here, right? Now this one here, so instead of send me the video training, I'm going to go into here and I'm going to change the text on this button and just click on the gear. And we want to say, send me the free guide. And we can even put in some subtext here, which is I find to be really awesome. Might as well maximize what you got here. Send me the free guide. Yes, I want more money from my leads. Sure, something like that. And we can adjust the text size on this here. So let's make my subtext size a little bit smaller, and let's make my font size on my button a little bit bigger. Right about like that. So I can go and I'm not really a fan of that color that's on there right now. So let's go and let's change it to boom. Nice red button there. So it shows up really good against the white. Okay, so we got the button changed. I like the color there. We're going to change the headline here. So the three-step system to bring, make this caps, bring in new leads on autopilot. And we'll change this, enter your name and email address to receive the free guide. Right to your inbox. There, and we're going to click Save Changes, and then we can do a quick little preview if we want. Just click on the little eyeball button, and boom, we've got a landing page basically set up here, right? If we're going with a nice simple one like this. So this is really all we need. We're going to collect the name and the email address, so we can go and just click on the exit button and then go to our thank you page. So now we go, same thing, we've customized the URL. We're going to click on the edit page button, and this is pretty cool, but instead of this guide, maybe we want some type of video on the page, right? So we can just go click on the button there to remove that element. We go over and find our different elements here. We click onto video, drag it on the page and drop it. So I don't actually want it up there. I'm going to grab this element and put it beside this element here, the thank you for signing up. Oops, we got to move this down a bit. There we go. Here, there. So we've got it beside there. Nice thing is we can go and adjust certain elements on this as well. If we want to have this video down so that it's centered more, we would click on the gears here, adjust the top margin. There, and now it's a little bit more closer to the center, right? But you know what? Let's, instead of doing that, let's go and move this video so that it's right underneath where it says thank you for signing up. And we'll go and drag it, grab the element, drag it underneath. Boom, it's set up. So our margin, this is kind of offset here, so we can go and actually change this to one column if we wanted, or we can just go click and just shrink that column down. So now this thing's pretty close to the center. Instead of thank you for signing up, we can say, watch this quick video to claim your guide. Claim your free guide. And then we can go ahead and just hit save on our changes here, right? We can go in and customize this video. So we click on the gear, and right now it's just set to the default URL. But if we had our YouTube video URL, we would just paste it into here. We could turn the autoplay on or off. We'll leave it off. We'll turn the controls off as well. And then we'll hit save changes one more time. Click onto the eyeball. And boom, our thank you page is all set up here, right? So we would just go through and customize a little bit more if we want to put our own footer elements in the bottom, if we had some colors that we wanted to change. If we go in and actually change the background on this, if we go to settings, and I was kind of playing around with this, we can go in and actually blur the background here a bit, and it kind of takes the focus off that. Like it's there. If we blur it to, let's go with about that. And then it just kind of directs the attention back into the center and the message that's going on in the middle here. So here we hit save changes, and we're pretty much done for this. So what do you say we test this thing out? So we go and click exit. And we can go back into our funnels settings here. We can go and change things if we need to as far as the funnel settings itself, if we want to set up any kind of automation rules, A/B testing, that kind of stuff. But what we're going to do is click View Sales Funnel. So this is going to take us right to our landing page. So the three-step system, bring in new leads on autopilot. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to set up a temporary email address, this one here. So you can see I've got this one, it's just kind of gibberish here, but if I go and copy that email address to the clipboard, and we go in here and we'll say test 1, paste in the email address, send me the free guide. So we click on the button, and boom, I'm over to my thank you page. So we can see how fast everything loads here. This thing is very, very quick. Which is nice because you don't want people waiting for that type of thing. And then all we have to do is just go back into our dashboard here, and then if we go to contacts, and we can see, boom, there it is, shows up. So if we click on this person here, so now we can see all the information. If we wanted to put in different fields, if we wanted to know their address, phone number, we've got their name and email address. So the nice thing is that we can go and start sending them email marketing campaigns here. So that's under emails, newsletters, campaigns. We're going to be getting into that in future videos. I just wanted to show you how to set up a lead generation funnel inside this awesome free funnel builder and how to do it quickly. And the cool thing is that we can see some information right off the bat on this as far as this information here. We can see the page that they came in on, and we can see as far as information about like the time and date that they came in. And it is awesome how easy and how fast this is to set up. So that's really about it. You've got lots of different options when it comes to the templates and configuring it however you want. The editor is really easy to work with. And that is how you set up a lead generation funnel in system.io quickly and easily, and you can go and duplicate and do this the same way yourself. I'll have some links and some information underneath this video in the description so you can get some awesome bonuses from me in regards to this and get set up with this free funnel builder yourself. Thanks for watching this. I'll see you in the next video.